In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Slack. If you've ever needed a little quiet time to focus, pausing. Slack notifications is a quick, reliable way to create that breathing room without missing anything important. We're going to walk through the exact clicks to make it happen and talk about what each option means so you can pick the one that fits your day. Start by opening Slack on your computer, whether you use the desktop app or a web browser. Give it a moment to load your workspace. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the Slack window and click your profile picture. This opens a small menu with settings and status options designed to help you manage your availability. In that menu, find and select Pause Notifications. This is Slack's built-in Do Not Disturb control. The moment you open it, you'll see a short list of ready-made choices so you don't have to overthink timing or search through deeper settings. Here's what each option does. Choosing 30 minutes is perfect for a quick focus sprint, a short call, or wrapping up a task where you just need a little uninterrupted time. Picking 1 hour gives you a standard meeting length break from pings, great for staying present without glancing at your screen. If you select 2 hours, you're signaling that you're in a deeper work block or back-to-back sessions and want a wider buffer from alerts. Until tomorrow is best for ending your day. Notifications will stay paused for the rest of today and turn back on the next day, so you can close your laptop confidently. And if your schedule is a bit different, choose Custom Time. This lets you set a precise duration that matches your plan, like covering a long workshop or a focus window that doesn't fit the presets. Once you pick one of these, Slack immediately pauses your alerts. Messages, mentions, and channel activity will still come in and be waiting for you, but you won't get the pop-ups or sounds during the pause. This helps you stay in the zone while keeping all your conversations intact for when you're ready. A quick tip as you use this: choose the smallest time that truly covers your task. It keeps your day moving while still protecting your attention. And if your plans change, you can always adjust the timing the same way you set it, using your profile menu and the pause notifications options. That's it. Open Slack, click your profile picture in the top right, go to Pause Notifications, and choose 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours until tomorrow, or Custom Time. Simple, fast, and effective for a more focused workday.